The history of life.
Early Earth was a very hostile environment. It was nothing like the Earth we know today, and stray material in our solar system was constantly bombarding the Earth, which was characterized by severe volcanic and tectonic activity. And this really created for very little life that could take off on this planet, and that created very little oxygen in our atmosphere, which was very different than the atmosphere we have today. The atmosphere of early Earth consisted mostly of hydrogen, ammonia, methane, and water vapor. And the sun was young, so it didn't provide as much heat as it does today, and therefore many greenhouse gases are thought to have been the cause for Earth not freezing over, really.
One of the most well-known hypotheses about the beginning of life is that meteorites from outer space carried microbes, which then crashed into the Earth. The microbes were then able to seed our Earth with life.
Charles Darwin was the first to come up with the idea of natural selection. Animals with the most adaptations survive to pass their traits on to their children. Some of these adaptations can be in the form of mutation. Artificial selection is the reproduction of individuals in a population that have desirable traits. Biodiversity can also be formed by allopatric speciation, where populations separate and evolve different characteristics. They become endemic to that area. This can be seen by the phylogenetic tree. All of these can create biodiversity and complex life.
Many of the Earth's species have actually been eradicated over time, and the way that this has happened is through mass extinctions. 5 major mass extinctions have occurred, and perhaps the most famous of these is the KT extinction, the one that destroyed the dinosaurs through a mass asteroid. And we're actually believed to be in our 6th extinction right now because of all the human development that's happened around the globe, and the way the environment has really been devastated by these actions.